Hello, my name is Daniel and today you join me at the Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham for a 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo. This crafter comes in a 2-litre TDI engine pushing out 122 PS and painted in the beautiful candy white. Starting off with the front exterior features, you get front parking sensors for that extra bit of safety, electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors and a heated windscreen for those cold mornings. This Caddy comes with 17-inch Barahona alloy wheels in silver with a steel spare wheel with the original tyre equipment. Moving around back for the rear exterior features, you have the rear loading cargo doors for easy loading, as well as the rear parking sensors and the rear view camera, adding that extra bit of safety when you are parking. Opening the rear cargo doors, you are met with a very spacious loading area. You also have twin sliding doors on either side of the vehicle. This allows you to access the loading area with ease. At the front, you have 2 passenger seats covered in fabric cloth upholstery in titanium black. You also have the ergoComfort seat upgrade with the power lumbar and the seat tilt. You also have a 10-inch infotainment system that is fully touchscreen. This infotainment system allows you to listen to your favorite radio stations, as well as connect your devices to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as using the inbuilt navigation system to help you on your journey. The driver is met with a 3-spoke multifunction black steering wheel. This allows you to skip through your favorite music, as well as answer calls and use cruise control. That is it for this 360 walk around of the approved used Volkswagen Caddy C20 Cargo. Thank you for watching and goodbye.